You have seen enough CLI, so it's time to see some UI stuff. So let's head over to Cacti web version. So we're going to create a new device, which is our client. But before we do that, we're going to do a formality, which is site. So just give a name. We call it main site or head office, whatever that makes sense to you. And the address. So I'm just going to put city, London. Okay, create the site. Okay, success. Now we're going to add our first client. So under devices, just say add. So basically a description. So I'm going to call it web server, and host name is actually IP address or DNS that is available within the network. So Polar Association is Polar main site, and device template is Linux generic, which we have installed earlier. And SNMP version and community, which is the public, that is like a group. I'm going to leave the rest as default. Okay, create. Okay, success. So now we have added a client, a device. So the server is now aware of that device. As you can see, it is accessible. That SNMP information confirms it. So now we're going to create graphs for the device we just created. So the graph is right top corner. Create graphs for the device. Okay, now you see these are the available graphs under that template we selected. So now I think you understand what template means. So I selected all of them. Yeah, successfully created all the graphs. So this is like a typical Linux machine. So you're going to see all these typical graphs. So the web server is now added.